So, it's been a while. Long enough that I almost forgot how to begin again. So I'm starting here, with a quiet, full desk, an empty cup of coffee, and sketchbooks inviting me to expand into myself again. Hi, I'm Charisma. I make videos about art, journaling, picture books, and the quiet, in-between moments of living. Today I'm sharing with you my all-in-one planner and journal, my life book for 2026, a Hobonichi Cousin. Not to fix my life, but to notice what needs tending. Not to become some perfect version of myself, but to document the cringe and the unspectacular, sometimes nonsensical, slightly awkward moments of my life. It would be a witness, a cauldron of what was, what is, what might have been, and what could be. The first half is for the future, my monthly and weekly pages, things I plan and hope for, ideas and versions of the future I'm brave enough to write down. The second half is for the present, the pasts, and the future memories. One page for each day. Sketches, photos, notes, ephemera, moments I want to document. Whether I want to remember them or forget them, it doesn't really matter. This feels like it fits me perfectly for 2026. One book to hold my plans, my notes, and the moments that matter. This channel is becoming something like this life book. A place to hold what I'm learning, what I'm creating, and who I'm slowly easing into fully becoming. If you're also starting again or learning to live a little more intentionally with yourself, you're welcome here. Let's begin.